Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, guys. This is DG Chef from the stables. Because of unprecedented requests for a quick vegetarian meal, I bring for us grilled cabbage in a very interesting sauce, all cooked in one pan. Make 4 wedges from a medium fresh cabbage and then remove the small core from the bottom. We will use this for our dish today. In a pan, add butter and then grill the cabbage till nice and brown on all 3 sides. Take your time here because this is where the caramelization of the outer layers of the cabbage will also add texture and feel, and the heat will cook the petals and the leaves inside. Remove and keep aside. In the same pan, add some more butter, chopped ginger and garlic, and saute for about 30 seconds. To this, now add chopped onions and cook for another minute. We will now add chopped green chilies, two teaspoons of honey, chili flakes, and lemon juice. This is now pure heaven, guys. And the lemon juice gives it that extra punch. We will now go ahead and plate this cabbage in a platter of your choice. Pour the sauce all over and finish with toasted white sesame seeds, chopped green onions, and red peppers. This is where you can start making your variations. You can use garlic yogurt, tandoori flavored yogurt, mint chutney, chimichurri sauce, or even just plain Greek yogurt as a base for this cabbage. I haven't used it, but I will invite you to do the same. It'll take your dish to a different level. Cheers, and I hope you enjoyed this one. See you soon.